And not only one, but two box full of toys for today. Wow! Let's see what we have here inside. We have oh, it's a fairy. Oh wow, it lights up. Not sure if you can see it because it has lots of lights. It lights up, battery is working. Alright, so we have some packs. Some of the accessories. This one is missing a door, so not all of them are complete. Some are just like parts. See this one? Needs to be changed the battery. Alright, we have some cards. Oh, this is X-ray. Looks good. And we have a habitat. And you can oh, is this like a LPS? Not sure if this is LPS, like a little cute plush toy. What else we have here? A little accessories here and there. Then we have more pets on this side. And this is like house. Oh, we have a bright new edition. So cute. A postcard. And you can still use it. All you have to do is put a stamp here. Cool. Oh, a little new edition pad. This one, oh, this one is damaged. But some are like that. Some are. This one is almost like new. Nice. So you never know what you're gonna get. Magic Motion Cat. It's a little bit of this and that. I just like these boxes because it's like a surprise. And best of all this is free shipping. See, it's pretty heavy box. That didn't supposed to happen. And it's free shipping and available only on lpsqueen.com, where buying and selling is so much fun. So get it before somebody else does. Enjoy!